everyone, Cheryl from Teaching 2 and 3-year-olds. This week our theme is transportation, week 2. And since our classroom is pretty much the same as it was last week, rather than do a classroom tour, I'm going to be talking about planning for March. So if you missed my transportation video from last week, do a search in this YouTube channel and you will find it. In fact, you'll find the one from last year and the year before as well. So you'll have lots of different ideas. But today I wanted to talk about March. It's coming up quickly and I'm trying to put together a blog post for each month of the school year that gives you some ideas. This was something that was suggested to me by several different teachers because they said, and I get it, when they're taking out their planners to plan the month, it gets overwhelming. So I've put together a blog post for March ideas. This includes themes that I do in my classroom, and it also includes themes that my readers on in my Facebook group do as well. So there's a nice list of ideas for you if you're getting stumped on what you want to do. I also include links to different activities that will complete your classroom. So you've got fine motor, large motor, science, art, sensory, etc. It's all in there. So make sure to check out that blog post. The link is in the description. And while I have you here, I just want to remind you that I also have these lesson plans that are already done for you. So if you are just overwhelmed and you have gone through Pinterest and you're just like, I don't know, which we all do, I helped put together these lesson plans. This particular one is spring, and this one's for preschoolers ages 3 to 5. There's 24 different activities, and each activity has a nice photo, and it has instructions, a list of supplies, and it also shows the skills that each activity is building. And it also shows how you can modify each of these for different learners. So I'm going to put a link to this packet in the description. Here's another example, and here's another example. And we also are getting really close to publishing our spring lesson plans for toddlers. Now, for those of you who've been following me for a while, you know that I started publishing toddler lesson plans last fall, and I'm doing this with a group of talented teachers and homeschoolers. But with our toddler lesson plans, we are rolling them out 1 month at a time as we publish them. So they're not all available yet, but they're coming, and the spring one is coming too. So when the spring toddler lesson plans are available, I will drop that link in the description. In the meantime, I'm going to drop a link to where you can see all of the lesson plans. That way you can see which ones are available and which ones are coming up. So I hope that you have an easy time planning for March. I still can't believe that we're this far into the school year. I will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.